In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange classes on Google Classroom. Let's dive right in. When you're managing multiple classes on Google Classroom, organizing them can greatly enhance your efficiency and ease of access. Maybe you prefer to have your classes ordered by schedule, priority, or however else makes sense for your daily teaching or studying routine. Google Classroom offers a straightforward way to adjust the arrangement of your classes, and I'm here to walk you through every step. First things first, let's start at the very beginning. You'll need to visit google.com. This is where our journey begins. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you closer to accessing your Google Classroom. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already signed in on your device, you may see your account listed directly. If not, no worries, just click on Use Another Account and proceed from there. Once you've selected your account, you're going to need to type in your password. Remember, this step is crucial for your privacy and security, so make sure no one is peeking over your shoulder. After entering your password, click on the much anticipated Next button. This will confirm your credentials and whisk you away into your Google account's dashboard. Now here's where things get interesting. Look towards the top right corner again, and you'll notice the Google Apps menu. It looks like a grid of dots. Clicking on it will unveil a variety of Google Apps and services available at your fingertips. From this array of icons, you're going to want to click on Google Classroom. That's our destination. Once inside Google Classroom, navigate to the Home page. You can ensure you're in the right place by checking for the Home tab at the top of the page, or simply visiting the provided classroom.google.com/h link. This page is where all your classes are listed, waiting to be organized. To start reordering your classes, look for the class you want to move. Each class card will have 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, sometimes referred to as the More or Options menu. Click on those 3 dots in the class you wish to relocate. A small menu will appear, and among the options presented, you'll see Move. Go ahead and give that a click. This is your tool for rearranging your classes. Upon clicking Move, you'll be given the choice to move the class up or down in your list. This allows you to position the class exactly where you want it, all without having to leave the page or navigate through cumbersome menus. And that's essentially it. With a few clicks, you've successfully rearranged your classes in Google Classroom to suit your needs or preferences. Feel free to adjust the order as often as you like, whether it's to reflect a new schedule or simply to prioritize certain classes over others. Remember, staying organized is key to managing your workload efficiently, whether you're a teacher juggling multiple classes or a student trying to keep track of your assignments. Google Classroom's intuitive interface makes it easy to customize the layout of your classes, so take advantage of this feature to enhance your productivity. Before you go, here are a few more tips. Consistently check back into your Google Classroom to not only rearrange classes as needed, but also to stay updated with any new announcements or assignments. Additionally, exploring other features within Google Classroom can further streamline your educational experience, from setting up notifications to joining or creating class discussions. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to rearrange classes in Google Classroom, making your digital teaching and learning space a bit more tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on making the most of your educational technology. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.